So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to control a Vizio soundbar with a universal remote, codes, IR learning and volume fix. Method first is programming with universal code. Turn on your Vizio soundbar, then press and hold the setup button on the universal remote until the LED blinks twice. Then enter one of the Vizio soundbar code, example 0660 or 083883. Point the remote at the soundbar and press the power or mute button. If the soundbar doesn't respond, repeat the step with the next code in the list. Second method is the learn remote function, direct pairing. Check the user manual for the specific soundbar to confirm it has the learn remote feature. On the Vizio soundbar remote, press the setup button until you reach the learn remote option. Follow voice or LED prompt to select the command you want to program, example volume up, volume down or mute, and point your universal remote at the soundbar and press the corresponding button 3 or 4 times. Third method is HDMI or CEC, using your existing TV remote. Connect an HDMI cable from the TV's HDMI ARC port on the soundbar HDMI port. Then turn on the TV and access the setting menu. Then navigate to the audio or expert setting. Ensure HDMI CEC may be enabled as AnyNet Plus, Bravia Sync or SimpLink is enabled. Confirm that ARC is also turned on. The standard TV remote will then control the soundbar power and volume automatically. Thanks for watching.